Hey guys, and today I'm going to be solving one of the more confusing logic problems from AMC 8. So this includes a combination of logic and basically geometry. So please try solving the question before I teach it so that you guys understand the concept. Okay, so number 24. In a parallelogram ABCD, DE is the altitude to the base, AB and DF is the altitude to the base BC. Note both pictures represent the same parallelogram. If DC is equal to 12, EB is equal to 4, and DE is equal to 6, then DF is equal to what? And so they've given us this picture right here. So now we've got a parallelogram. And the first thing we're going to know to solve this is that parallelogram, the area is equal to base times height. So first, let's find what the area is. So right now we have this base, which is also we can also just say is this base, and we have the height. And so that's going to mean that the area is equal to 72. Is equal to 72. And now what we can do is we can just take this. So now we know this. We want to find this base right here, or this base, because both of these bases are going to be equal or congruent. So we know this length here is 4, so we can technically just take this. You can make a straight line. You can make a straight line from this point to this point. And now we know that this length is 6, so since these both are parallel, this is going to be 6 as well. So now we know that and now this length, which was originally 12, 12 minus 4 is going to be 8 because we're subtracting 4 from the original length right here. So we're not going to use this segment. So now we know that this is 6 and this is 8. We can basically use the Pythagorean theorem. And this is already Pythagorean triple, as in it's a multiple of the 3, 4, 5 triangle, right triangle. So since this is one of the heights, it's going to be perpendicular to the base anyways, but that's why it's a right triangle. So now we know that this thing is 10 because 5 times 2 is going to be 10. So it's going to be 3, 4, 5 to 6, 8, 10. This is one of the Pythagorean triples that you guys can learn. And also, now we go here. And they've asked us for the height here. So now we know that the area of this entire figure is going to only be 72. And we know that compared to this, the base so now we know that the base would be 10. And we want the height. So now that's just going to be 72 divided by 10, which is just going to be 7.2. Hence, we get our answer C right here. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. I'll post the link to the 1995 AMC here in the description.